Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to write minor discourse, that is invitation. Invitations are generally printed cards through which we invite our guests on auspicious occasions like wedding, birthday, anniversaries, housewarming ceremonies or inaugural functions. Invitations can be written in two ways, formal invitations or informal invitations. Formal invitations will specifically prepare a card and invite. Informal invitations will draft in the form of a letter. Formal or informal invitations will give complete information about who, whom, when, where, what time, and for what the program is conducted. So, while preparing the invitation, the most important components we should remember are name of the organization. Next comes occasion. Next, it is followed by the name of the invitee and the name of the chief guest or the special members, a date, time, and venue, and the last concludes with the name of the host. Format of formal invitation. Format here follows with the components in the sequential order. The first component is name of the organization followed by invitation heading. That should be in the capital letter. Then it is followed by second component, that is the name of the program. It may be annual day celebrations or silver jubilee celebrations or independence day celebration, whatever program is, that is also should be in the capital letter. Then the third component comes, that is a formal phrase of invitation. Here formal phrase is a small sentence by which we invite the guests, so that expressions can be in different ways, just like we request the pleasure of your being present, or the company seek your auspicious presence, or we can also say we solicit your gracious presence on the auspicious occasion. Any sentence, any phrase, we can use it here for inviting the guests. Then it is followed by the fourth component, that is name of the invitee, the person whom we are inviting to our occasion. It should be in the capital letters. Next, we have to arrange date, time, and venue of the event in the format what we are entering. Then name of the host, that is the person who is inviting, should be entered in the last onto the right hand side. So here the last and conclusion of the format is a beautiful lining should be given with a attractive designing. So how we present the invitation will make us to score the marks here. Here are some expressions by which we can beautifully invite our guests to our functions. While presenting the components in an invitation, we have to remember some points. Like always, we have to keep the organization name or the host logo on the top of the invitation. Second, we have to be in the third person's place and we have to write the invitation rather than being in the first person. Third is we have to write full name of the person, either he is a host or a invitee. Fourth is we have to present our writing in the simple present tense itself. Date there is not necessary to be mentioned when we are preparing the invitation. And fifth is we should not exceed more than 50 words. Invitation is a minor discourse which comes in the second paper of English. It goes with different components during evaluation. So first component is discourse specific. So the layout, design, whatever we are doing to make the invitation attractive will carry 1 mark. Second is the language specific. So the contextual relevance, the content, if it is relevant to the question what we are preparing, it carries 1 mark. Third is proper sentence structure. If we are making perfect sentence structure, then it carries 2 marks. Then comes conventions of writing, that is of punctuations, spellings, all. So it carries 1 marks. Altogether, the invitation carries 5 marks in the question paper. Here is the layout of formal invitation. As we discussed earlier, first comes the name of the organization. It is followed by invitation heading. Then comes the name of the program. Then all the details like formal phrase invitation and details of invitation, date and time will be arranged in the box, and name of the persons involved in the program also will be listed. Then last is the name of the inviter, that is the name of the host who is inviting for the program, will be written on the right hand side. Here is a sample question of school invitation. Imagine that your school is organizing Silver Jubilee celebrations. Design an invitation card on behalf of your school. Include the necessary details, date and venue, chief guest of honor, programs, vote of thanks. Here with the school name is not given, but the occasion is given, that is Silver Jubilee celebration. So we can mention any school name, and date and venue is also not present here, so we can mention the date and venue of the program, anything. Here we can prepare an invitation card in this way. As school name is not mentioned, we have taken Mahatma Gandhi High School, Hyderabad. It is followed by invitation heading and program name Silver Jubilee celebrations. All the 3 are written in the capital letters. Next we have to present the phrase like you are cordially invited on the auspicious occasion of Silver Jubilee celebrations 2016 and 17 held in our school on 11th August 2016. Date, time and venue we have to mention as we wish to make a design attractive. So date and time 11th August 2016, time 4:30 p.m. As the program will be conducted in the school, we have to write the school name Mahatma Gandhi High School, Kompally, RR District, Hyderabad. The program whatever will be conducted should be mentioned in the center, like chief guest Mrs. Mahalakshmi MP, guest of honor Mr. Kumar RDO, and different programs conducted like cultural events, colorful programs, speeches, dance, songs, whatever we want to list it, we can list it under the program. Last comes vote of thanks, and it will be always said by either the cabinet member or it can be said by a principal. So here we are mentioning Mr. Anil Kumar, principal. So last we have to close the invitation by writing host name like invited by Mr. Anil Kumar, MA B.Ed, principal. Then make the design surrounding to the invitation in an attractive way. Next example we shall observe, that is of wedding invitation sample question. You are Arun Kumar. Your elder sister Anita is going to be married on 2nd April of 2015 at Sai Kalyana Mandapam, Medak at 11:30 a.m. The bridegroom is Satish Kumar. Prepare an invitation card to invite your friends to your sister's marriage. So here name of the person is given, that is your Arun Kumar. You have to prepare the invitation card. Your elder sister name is given Anita, and date of marriage is presented 2nd April of 2015. Place is also mentioned Sai Kalyana Mandapam, and Medak, it belongs to Medak area. Complete address is given, and the timing of the marriage is also given here, 11:30 a.m. The bridegroom's name is also given, that is Satish Kumar. So all the details are given in the question. Now we have to prepare an invitation card behalf of Arun Kumar. Let us learn how a family invitation can be prepared. In family invitation, first comes the heading. If it is wedding, we have to mention wedding invitation. If it is birthday, then birthday invitation. If it is housewarming, then housewarming invitation. It should be followed by a formal phrase. We solicitly welcome you all on the auspicious occasion of our sister's marriage. Then, as it is a wedding invitation, we have to mention bride and bridegroom's names in the center. Like Saubhagyavati Anita, as father's name is not mentioned in the question, we can write any name, daughter of Ram Mohan Rao, with Chiranjeevi Satish Kumar. Here also father's name is not mentioned, so son of Raja Rao. On the two sides, we can mention date, time and venue. Date and time are mentioned in the question. Date 2nd April 2015, time 11:30 a.m. Venue is also mentioned, Sai Kalyana Mandapam, Medak district. Lastly, we have to conclude with a invitation phrase. All are cordially invited to attend the marriage function without fail. Then invitation should be concluded by the host name, invited by Arun Kumar. Then give a good attractive layout so that the invitation looks beautiful. Hope you have understood how to present an invitation in an attractive way. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you.